still accepting all IOs, but when it goes down, and this becomes now active, this becomes standby, but fixed work with active, so it also considers this as a active. And for some virtual scenarios, we try to carry over this. But this is now standby. You have a problem if you configure incorrect load balancing. So active, standby, MRU, fixed and round robin work if you have active is active. That also we need to check. And APD conditions occurs all paths down, but not from all the ESX. Only specific nodes lost fits all the path to the storage. And APD conditions occurs, then it is waiting. PDL condition, the storage device is in a PDL state when it becomes permanently unavailable to the ESX IOs. Possible causes of unplanned PDL condition when it can occur. The device is unintentionally removed. Storage. The device unique ID change. Device experience an unrecoverable hardware level errors. Device runs out of space, causing it becomes inaccessible. The vSphere client display pertinent information when a device is in a PDL state. The operation state of device change to lost communication. All paths appear as a DAT. The data stored on that device are unavailable. And this is also we can see in the vmkernel.log PDL conditions. So you can see NMP build where we can find some signal regarding PDL. No more command to retrieve at this device. And see, it is now safe to unmount the data store and delete the device. That is also suggestion we can find for that particular lunch. Has been removed, is permanently inaccessible. Could not select path for this device. And failed with status device is permanent unavailable by using this runtime path on LunchG. Recovering from an unplanned PDL condition. So generally, when this happens, what we can do, if the LUN is not in use when PDL conditions are, the LUN removed automatically after the PDL conditions clears. If the LUN is in use, manually detach the device, remove the LUN from the SXI host. When the storage reconfiguration is complete, perform these steps. Reattach storage device, mount it back, and restore from the backup if necessary. Restart the virtual machine. Hardware level, this get failed. What you can do? And APD condition, all path down. APD conditions occur when storage device becomes unavailable to your ESXi host for an unspecified amount of time. The condition is transient. The device is expected to be available again in next moment. And initially we have this APD condition. APD condition might have several causes. The storage device removed in an uncontrolled manner from the host. The storage device fails. Network connectivity fails. And in this case, vSphere client displays some information about APD conditions. And the operational state of the device changed that to error. dead or error, all path appear as a dead data stored on the device are unavailable but from specific ESXi procedure. And this is also we can find in the VM kernel storage related and networking related things. And here we can see will issue command due to not found APD, try again, waiting for the path state update. So this kind of things we can observe in the VM kernel.logs. And we can also, we have the options. We can modify the threshold. The default is 1/42. So this APD condition, if it detect, it's waiting for 1/42. And after that, APD change its state to the permanent device lost, PDL. Instead we have APD. So if it's in 1/42, roughly 2 minutes, so you want to reduce it. This APD condition I can bear only up to 1 minute, or you want to increase this or you want to decrease this, that depends. We can do that. Global setting and this parameter where we can modify it. Reduce this value or increase this value. Once it reach up to that, then it changes states from the APD to permanent device lost, PDL. Nicknaming misconfigurations. Another possible causes of the loss of path to the LUN, that is nicknaming. As I explained, IP has, MAC has. Explicit failover. If you are using distributed, then only you can see this route based on physical weak load. Default, if you do not select any, it will use this one. In order to use this one, this one, this one, this one, you need minimum 2 uplinks in the active uplink OST. Then you can see team, right? Minimum 2 or more. If you have one, then there is no team. And that is applicable if you have a planning to use the high capacity LAN card, 20 Gbps, 25 Gbps, one active, one standby, then we can use this one. So make sure, like if you want to use IP hash, something you must need to configure supported on the physical switch level. Physical switch must support inter-channel link aggregation, and you have to configure first link aggregation on a physical switch, then we can use the IP hash. So from the port group property under nicknaming failover, we can see what algorithm we using, and accordingly we configure our physical network or not. And this is where we can see this pre-load balancing algorithm. MRU, round robin, next. Okay, now you have only one more labs. Any questions so far? Most of you, I don't think you all doing lab, because if you're doing lab, you must be facing some issues, and you are only 3-4% asking, and they are responding that they're doing this lab, that. The rest of you, I don't know whether you are doing labs or not, because you have not, you are not asking any problem. It means if you are doing seriously that, you must be face some issues. Sometimes you are not able to resolve. I don't know whether you are resolving all the problem by yourself. Then if it is, then it's nice. But if not, then it's up to you. But if you don't touch the labs, you cannot gain anything. Much more detailed information, you cannot get it with load and these labs. When you try to do the labs, it gives you more understanding. So that's it for the day. And tomorrow we're going to see HADRS based model. Again, first we're going to see the basic architecture of HA, then HA policy, so we can at least understand the HA related problem.
Okay.
Here, so labs